How to fix Marvel Rivals high ping, network issues, and packet loss. Step 1. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Navigate to installed files and click Verify integrity of game files. This ensures your game files are intact and updated. Step 2. Adjust compatibility settings. Click Browse in Steam to locate the game launcher. Right-click on the launcher and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full-Screen Optimizations and also check Run this program as administrator. Apply the changes. Step 3. Allow Marvel Rivals in Firewall. Copy the following path. Search for Firewall in the Start menu and open Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click Change Settings and check if Marvel Rivals is already listed. If it is not, click Allow another app, then Browse, paste the copied path, and select the game launcher. Ensure both private and public checkboxes are selected. Click OK and close the window. Step 4. Optimize your network. Restart your router to refresh your connection. Close any unnecessary background apps or downloads to free up bandwidth. For better stability, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more quick fixes and gaming tips.